Alright, so I thought as a follow-up to the flint and steel video, I would get some char cloth going and see if I could get this feather stick. I've actually got a couple more that I could use to add some surface area. See if I could get that going. And that's actually a way I've never chosen to start a fire before, typically because I just have a bird's nest, dry grass, or whatever with me if I'm doing flint and steel. And believe me when I say, it's always easy to do this, but when you're filming it, it's a different story. So I'm gonna see if I can get an ember going here. All right, so just like that, we've got an ember. So this is where I'm gonna use a coal extender. And I'm gonna see if I can transfer that to a feather stick. All right, so just like that, we've got this ember. I'm gonna put it in my feather stick. And I don't want to touch it, but I also don't want it to fall off. Let's see what happens. All right, just like that, we've got fire. So you can see how the coal extender in this situation did an outstanding job of getting it going, whereas the punk wood by itself would not. And that's just another practical application. If you didn't have a ferro rod with you, but you had a flint and steel kit and some char cloth, and you had a knife, especially if you had a carbon steel knife, you could use the back of that to get the punk wood going. And of course there's other ways to do this, but this is just one interesting way that that will work.